Good morning students. This is class 12th maths lecture 12th of chapter 7th integrals. Today we will discuss exercise 7.5. So see question number 6 of exercise 7.5 is to find the integral of 1 minus x square upon x into 1 minus 2x into dx. Now see, because the polynomial in the denominator has degree 2 and also the polynomial in the denominator also has the degree 2, right? Therefore this is an improper rational function. So first of all we will divide the numerator by the denominator to make it a proper function, right? So when you will divide 1 minus x square with x minus 2x square, then you will get this as the quotient and this has the remainder. So this can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2x upon x minus 2x square, right? Now this integral will become integral of this, which will be equal to integral of 1 by 2 plus integral of this function, right? Now you know the integral of this will be 1 by 2x. Now integral of this, see here, this is 1 minus 1 by 2x upon x into 1 minus 2x, taking x common from both of these terms, right? Now here the coefficient of x is minus 2. We want to make this coefficient of x as 1. So take out minus 2 common from both of these terms. So you will get minus 2x into x minus 1 by 2. Now take out this minus 2 common from the integral. So you will get minus 1 by 2 integral of 1 minus 1 by 2x upon x into x minus 1 by 2 into dx. Now see, this function can be written as a upon x plus b upon x minus 1 by 2, right? Take LCM, then you will get 1 minus 1 by 2x equal to a into x minus 1 by 2 plus b into x. Now compare the coefficients. The coefficient of x here is minus 1 by 2 and here it is a plus b, and the constant term here is 1 and here the constant term is minus 1 by 2a. So you will get the value of a as minus 2 and of b as 3 by 2. Now this integral will become minus 1 by 2 integral of minus 2 upon x plus 3 by 2 upon x minus 1 by 2, right? Now this can be written as minus 1 by 2 into, take out this minus 2 common, integral of 1 by x into dx plus 3 by 2 outside the integral of 1 upon x minus 1 by 2. Now you know the integral of both of these functions. Integral of 1 by x will be log mod x plus 3 by 2 integral of this will be log mod of x minus 1 by 2 plus c. So the integral of the given function will be integral of 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2 into x, plus integral of this functions, which we got as this, which is log mod x minus 3 by 4 log mod x minus 1 by 2 plus c. Now question number 7th is integral of x upon x square plus 1 into x minus 1. So this can be written as, because this is a proper function, so it can be written as a upon x minus 1 plus, because this quadratic equation cannot be solved further, so write down this as bx plus c upon x square plus 1. Now take the LCM, you will get a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Now when you will compare the coefficients, you will get a plus b as equal to 0, because here the coefficient of x square is a plus b and here it is 0. Here the coefficient of x is c minus b and here it is 1, and the constant term a minus c is equal to 0. So after solving you will get the values of a, b and c as 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 respectively, right? Now the given integral will become integral of 1 by 2 upon x minus 1 into dx plus bx plus c. So b is this plus c is this upon x square plus 1, right? Now take out 1 by 2 common. So you'll get integral of 1 upon x minus 1 into dx minus 1 by 2 outside the integral and integral of x upon x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 outside the integral 1 upon x square plus 1. Now integral of this will be log mod x minus 1 minus 1 by 2. Now see, to solve this integral, let x square plus 1 as t. Then you will get 2x into dx as equal to dt. Then x into dx will become dt upon 2, right? Plus 1 by 2. Integral of this will be tan inverse x plus c. So you will get 1 by 2 log mod x minus 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 by 4, and integral of 1 by t is log mod t, and t we assumed as x square plus 1. So you will get log mod x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus c. Now in question number 9, we have to find the integral of the given function. So first of all, factorize the denominator, then you will get 3x plus 5 upon x minus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 1. So this will become 3x plus 5 upon x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1, which can be written as a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 1 whole square plus c upon x plus 1, right? Now take out LCM, then you will get a into x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c into x minus 1 whole square, right? So this will become a into x square minus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c into, solve this square, so x square plus 1 minus 2x. Now when you will compare the coefficients, then you will get the values of a as minus 1 by 2, b as 4 and c as 1 by 2. So the given integral will now become minus 1 by 2 integral of 1 upon x minus 1 into dx plus 4 into integral of 1 upon x minus 1 whole square plus 1 by 2 integral of 1 upon x plus 1 into dx. Now you know how to solve all of these integrals. So the integral value of this function will be log mod of x minus 1 plus 4 as it is. Now see, this is x minus 1 raised to the power minus 2. So the integral of this will be x minus 1 raised to the power minus 1 upon minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Integral of this will be log mod x plus 1 plus c. Now this is okay from these two terms, taking 1 by 2 common, then you will get log mod of x plus 1 minus log mod of x minus 1, and this will become minus 4 upon x minus 1 plus c. Now see, this is log m minus log n, which is log m upon n. So you will get 1 by 2 log mod of x plus 1 upon x minus 1 minus 4 upon x minus 1 plus c. Now question number 12 is to find the integral of the function x cube plus x plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Now because the degree of the polynomial in numerator is higher, therefore divided with the denominator. So you will get this function as equal to x plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Now integral of this function will be integral of this, which can be written as integral of x plus integral of 2x upon x square minus 1 plus integral of 1 upon x square minus 1. Now integral of x is x square by 2 plus integral of this will be, see, when you will let x square minus 1 as equal to t, you will get 2x into dx as equal to dt. So this integral will change into integral of 1 upon t into dt, and integral of 1 upon t is log t, and we let t as x square minus 1, right? So after solving this integral you will get this, plus what will be the integral of 1 upon x square minus a square? It is 1 upon 2a, here a is 1, into log x minus a upon x plus a plus c, right? Now you can solve this further to get the answer. See, x square by 2 as it is, plus this can be written as log x minus 1 into x plus 1, plus 1 by 2 outside, this is log m by n, which can be written as log m minus log n plus c. Now x square by 2 as it is, plus this is log mn, and log mn can be written as log m plus log n, right? Plus this will be 1 by 2 into log mod x minus 1 minus 1 by 2 log mod x plus 1 plus c, right? Now solve this, you will get x square by 2, this is log mod x minus 1, and this is 1 by 2 log mod x minus 1, which will become 3 by 2 log mod x minus 1. And after solving this and this term, you will get 1 by 2 log mod x plus 1 plus c. Clear? Now see, in the next question, you have to find the integral of x square upon x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 into dx. So see, this is a proper function because the degree of the polynomial in numerator is less than the degree of the polynomial in the denominator, right? Now to make the calculation easy, we let x square as equal to y. We will not take the derivative. We are not substituting x square as equal to y in this integral. So we will not take the derivative or we will substitute the value. But simply to make this calculation easier, we are letting x square as equal to y. Now this function will become y upon y plus 1 into y plus 4, which can be written as equal to a upon y plus 1 plus b upon y plus 4. Now take the LCM, you will get y equal to a into y plus 4 plus b into y plus 1, right? LCM of both the sides will get cancelled. Now find the value of a and b. Now compare the coefficients of y on both the sides and the constant term. So you will get 1 equal to a plus b and 0 equal to 4a plus b. After solving these two, you will get a as minus 1 by 3 and b as 4 by 3, right? So the given integral, which is this, now become minus 1 by 3 integral of 1 upon, see, y plus 1. But in place of y, we will write x square plus 1 because I have already told you that we let x square as equal to y just for the simplification. But in the integral, we are not substituting it, right? Plus b, which is 4 by 3 into integral of 1 upon y plus 4, and in place of y, x square plus 4 into dx, right? Now you know the integral of both of these functions. Integral of this will be tan inverse x plus 4 by 3. Integral of this will be, this is 1 upon x square plus 2 square, right? So this will be 1 by a, that is 1 by 2 into tan inverse x upon a, and here a is 2 because 4 is 2 square, right? Plus c. Now see the next question. Find integral of 3 sin phi minus 2 into cos phi upon 5 minus cos square phi minus 4 sin phi into d phi. Now see, here it is sin phi. This is also sin phi. And this cos square phi can be written in terms of sin phi. So if we let sin phi as equal to t, then this cos phi into d phi will become dt, right? So the integral will change into 3t minus 2 in place of cos phi into d phi dt upon 5 minus this cos square phi can be written as 1 minus sin square phi. So 1 minus t square because sin phi is t, and minus 4t. So the integral is equal to 3t minus 2 upon t square minus 4t plus 4 into dt. Now this is 3t minus 2 upon t minus 2 whole square. So this can be written as, according to the partial fraction, a upon t minus 2 plus b upon t minus 2 whole square. Now take the LCM. So you will get 3t minus 2 equal to a into t minus 2 plus b. Now solve by comparing the coefficients. So you will get a as equal to 3 and b as equal to 4. Therefore this integral now become integral 3 into integral of 1 upon t minus 2 plus 4 into integral of 1 upon t minus 2 whole square into dt. Now the integral of 1 upon t minus 2 will be log mod t minus 2 plus 4, as it is integral of this will be, because this is t minus 2 raised to the power minus 2. So the integral will be t minus 2 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c. Now in place of t, write down sin phi. So you will get 3 log mod sin phi minus 2 minus 4. This is t minus 2 raised to the power minus 1, which is 1 upon t minus 2, which can be written as sin phi minus 2 plus c, right? So your homework is that you have to do question 13 to 23 of exercise 7.5. Okay, thank you.